Honey, and in today's video we are doing a very simple DIY. It is so easy that kids can get involved. All you need is some paint sticks. I got these from the Dollar Tree. If you have popsicle sticks, yardsticks, board, it depends on how big you want to make it. You can go as big as you want or as small as you want. You can even get sticks, twigs from outside, gather those, break them up, as long as you have something that you can make a star with. And then you are just going to need some hot glue to put it all together. And the longest part it's going to take is figuring out how you want to decorate it. That's what took me the longest on deciding how I wanted to decorate it. So if you're interested in crafting little Christmas holiday cheer or winter, however you want to do it, along with me, grab your supplies and let's do this. You're going to need 5 sticks of your choice, whatever you decided to grab, and we are going to paint these, or you can just keep them as is. It's totally up to you. Now I'm going to go ahead and paint mine, and I am just going to use the Waverly wax, antique wax. So I'm going to paint it and then I will wipe it off to give it that rustic look. So you guys do whatever you want. If you have a wax, you can use that. If you have paint, if you have crayons, if you have markers, use whatever you have on hand. So let's go ahead and get this started. Okay friends, I have all of my sticks all painted and done up. Make sure that you do the front, the back, and the sides so it looks good all the way around. Now if you use sticks from your yard, you didn't have to paint unless you decided that you wanted to spray paint them or something. But this is your project, you do whatever you think looks good. So what we're going to do is we are going to put the star together now. So what you'll do, take your 2 and you're going to line them up the best you can at the tip right there. Now we're just going to play with it for a minute, right? And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to take this one and make sure it's hanging off a little bit. And this one as well. And then this one is going to go underneath. So get it set up the way you like it. and then we could start gluing. But we want to make sure it's all lined up the way it needs to be lined up. So if the kids are doing this, you might have to have your parents help you a little bit just to get it all lined up. Now, it will not line up perfectly, depending on what you're working with. But that's okay. That's what makes it rustic as well. It's not perfect. Alright, so that is what mine looks like. And now I am going to take my hot glue. Kids, have your parents do this part if you're working along with me. And I'm just going to glue at all of the points that are meeting. I think I'm going to start down here. You don't need a whole lot of glue, but make sure it's just enough to hold it all together. There's those two. I'm going to go ahead and attach at the top. A little awkward, but you can do it. Just make sure that you are lined up the best you can be, right? Okay. Now I am going to attach this bottom. Actually, I'm going to attach here first. Like so. And then I need to attach the bottom. Open it a little bit. Add your glue. Alright. You got that? Did you understand that? Got it all attached. Now you could decide what side you think looks better. It's totally up to you. I'm going to attach more glue to this side. Only because I think the boards are warped a little bit from the Dollar Tree, but it's nothing that glue can't fix. Alright, so that is what your star should look like when you're done. And I think I like this side, so I'm going to decorate on this side. You can choose whatever side you wish, but I think I'm going to decorate on this side. Alright, so the next thing, just because it's easier, is put your hanging mechanism. If you plan on hanging this, put your hanging mechanism on first, okay? Because once you get all the decorations on there, it's a little tricky to try to glue on your hanging mechanism, so we're going to go ahead and do that first. So since this is going to be the front, you need to put it on the back, and I'm just going to use a little bit of twine to keep the rustic feel going. So I have some twine here, and I probably don't need it that long. I'll decide. Let's see. I think that'll be good. So I'm just going to attach it to the back. You can attach it however you wish. Watch your fingers so you don't burn them. I'm pretty much reminding myself of that as well as you guys. So I'm really good at burning my fingers. Alright. There's that. That's attached. This is where you get creative. And take your time with it. Grab all your little supplies, whatever you have, and just start decorating. You got the hard part done. So let's go ahead and just start decorating this. I'm just keeping it simple, and as you can see, it is a very simple craft. Now, if you decide, you can even personalize it here if you want to. Say you're making it for somebody. Maybe you can put their name on there, or you can put Happy Holiday, or Welcome Winter, whatever you wish. But mine is very simple. I just added the paint to kind of give it a more rustic look, and kind of like snow fell on it. So these are the two that I have made today. As you can tell, they're both different. And that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this easy little craft. I'm going to keep making more because I'm a little bit addicted to these. And I hope you had fun with it too. So until next time, keep crafting everybody, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!